Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca Shanice and I'm here with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's video I will be doing a clean plus decorate with me with my bathroom. And if you would like to see what I'm doing, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay you guys, I've been wanting to redecorate my bathroom for a while now. They finally had this in stock at Walmart and I kind of wanted to go with this look. Very, clean, simple, kind of like bohemian. I purchased a shower lining and I just purchased this rug, to go in front of my sink. And I purchased this rug to go in front of my toilet stool. I also purchased all ledge sets. I really wanted some baskets, but I didn't see any that matched the color that I wanted. So I just got these. I'm not gonna have a lot up there. I'm not even gonna have no pictures or nothing. I'm just gonna have this terracotta vase, little plant thing, whatever you call it, and probably like a jar with like cotton balls or something like that in it. And then I purchased this eucalyptus thing, so I'm gonna cut it down in a way that it can fit in this pot. And I just bought some caps because I needed this for my toothbrushes, so I won't have my toothbrushes out. And I got this soap dispenser. Is that up there, child? Anyways, I got this soap dispenser. I think I'm gonna turn it this way so the word dispenser don't be shown. Yeah, something, simple looking. And all these items I purchased from Walmart. Okay, so this is what my bathroom is looking like now. This is the shower curtain that I'm going to take down, and I'm going to take the shower liner down. This is the picture that I painted a couple of weeks ago. This was the whole purpose of me painting this picture because I knew I was going to redecorate my bathroom pretty soon. So on this wall here, I have this picture. I'm going to take this down, and those wedge shelves or whatever you call them. I'm going to put one up here. I may put the other one, but I'm not sure yet. I'm going to clean off my sink. I'll weigh some stuff in here, reorganize and, straighten it up so it can look decent. I'm going to clean the stool and get rid of these. Well, I think I'm going to throw this rug right here away. And I think I'm just going to keep this one just to have and wipe down my cabinet and mop my floors. So yeah, this is what the bathroom is looking like now. Get you a good look. Y'all don't mind me. I look a mess. But yeah, I have a small bathroom, so it's kind of hard to get angles in here. I know I use a lot of cleaning products, but the ones that I use, that's what works for me. I just have the tub soaking. Y'all, I have explained in a video before, I don't know if it's called caulk, but when I had a shower caddy, the water was running over there like constantly, and it started to pill up. That's not dirty. Right here, I just want to let y'all know that's not dirt. Like, I done scrub and try to get it off, and I can't get it to become white. I'm gonna let that soak. Then once that get finished soaked, I'm gonna go in and wipe all this down so that can become clean, and wipe this. I need to dump my trash can. I have a fan in my bathroom and it's connected to the light, so it's on when I turn the light. So I apologize for that. But I have cleared everything out. So now I think I'm gonna go through this, and whatever I don't want or not using at the moment, I'm gonna put it away or throw it away. Organize it so it can be neater and have a little bit more space. And I kind of like already kind of organized this at one point, but I guess I can touch it up, and I do have an extra basket that I might want to put down here, so stuff just won't be, you know, all over the place. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear this out, wipe the bottom out down here, and I'll be back. So I have already organized and straightened this little cabinet. Okay, so I am finished with the shower. Y'all, I apologize for the lighting in here. I don't have no window in my bathroom. All I have is the light that they put in for the bathroom and my ring light, as you can see right there. I finished cleaning the shower, the tub. I'm finished cleaning the toilet stool, and I'm finished cleaning the sink, and I have wiped the cabinet down, cleaned the mirrors. Like I said, I organized this. And I organized down here. If y'all can see, I just put some little baskets down here, and yeah. So yeah, now all I have to do is sweep and mop my floors, and we can start decorating. I had swept and mopped my floors off camera because my phone was about to die. Y'all will see me going back and forth when it comes to decorating because I've been unsure where I want to place things. Things with the shelf that went left. Oh my god, they're doing landscape. The things with the shelf went left, and I put 2 holes up there, and it just did not come out right. So I'm gonna wait for my father to come and hang those up for me. I may do another thing like that, but just white. But I'm not sure yet. But I know for sure this is not gonna stay here. I just want to let y'all know that this is not going to stay here because it doesn't match with anything. Okay, you guys, that wraps up for today's video. If you have any questions or anything, please feel free to comment. Please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.